In underground mining, every decision depends on accurate, timely data.
But when survey results take hours or even days to process, efficiency and safety are compromised.
At SafeSight, we've developed a solution that connects the rock face to real-time intelligence.
Traditional survey methods require personnel to enter hazardous areas and often deliver delayed information.
The gap between plan and reality creates inefficiencies, impacts productivity, and increases risk.
SafeSight's 3D LiDAR ecosystem transforms underground mapping into a continuous, safe, and data-driven process.
At its core is the SafeScanner, a high-precision LiDAR payload designed to move seamlessly across air, ground, and vertical applications.
Mounted on the DB5 underground drone, it maps inaccessible stopes with zero human entry.
Deployed on the DeepTraxx Rover, it captures long development drifts with consistent, high-density detail.
And with the SafeScanner vehicle mount, you can collect data in real time as you drive through the mine.
Each scan is visualized in real time, allowing teams to confirm full coverage underground.
And with our 5G connectivity units, point clouds stream instantly to surface servers, giving engineers access to live georeferenced data within minutes.
No delays, no remobilization, just actionable insight as it happens.
SafeSight delivers universally compatible outputs, ready for integration with the tools you already use.
This creates a single, high-fidelity source of truth across geology, planning, and operations.
By eliminating manual entry into hazardous areas, SafeSight enhances safety.
By turning surveys into live data streams, it accelerates planning and reconciliation.
And by connecting every department through shared 3D intelligence, it builds the foundation for the true digital mine.
From rock face to real-time decision-making,
SafeSight delivers the data that drives modern mining forward. SafeSight.
Innovation starts here.